Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this very informative and cool craft. Let's make it at home for your kids. For that we are going to cut the circle from cardboard. Now we are going to cut these shapes and paste all of them together like this. We're pasting these yellow circles and all these strips together. We are going to give it a shape of flower. For more fun, we are pasting the minute and second hand like this and write numbers on the top of it, and look, your craft is ready. So we're going to draw the basket on this cardboard, cut all of them and draw lines on it like we're doing here. After this, paste double-sided tape and flip it and paste tape on the back side as well. Now paste different flowers from your garden, and look, your colorful flower basket is ready. We need these materials and put all the wheels together on this ice cream stick. Make a hole and put the wheels like we're doing here. Similar way, we're going to add more ribbons and rubber band on the top of it, and look, it's ready. So we need these bottle caps. Draw a circle on pink color of craft paper. Cut the shape of the bunny. Draw the ears. Paste all of them together. Draw the eyes using black marker. Its nose as well. Now we are going to add all of them. Cut the top portion of the bottle cap and paste the shape of the bunny on both ends. Paste the handle as well. Cover the side using pink strip, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful paper basket. So cut all these strip of paper and combine all of them on this circle. Now we are going to put all the circles one after another. Cut the extra part, make the handle, paste heart and add more details like rhinestones, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.